Today's last Best Bite takes us to a place that I've been calling a hidden gem for years, and it's
right here at Elizabeth's Portofino, an Indulge exquisite dessert and drink bar.
I call it a hidden gem because you'd never know from first glance of the exterior what a charming restaurant awaits you inside. A spacious bar, 2 inviting dining rooms, the superb Italian menu of executive chef Derek Fitz, and of course, Elizabeth and her children, Philip and Nicole, along with a very friendly staff. I promise they'll welcome you, and you'll become part of their family for sure. They serve dinner nightly, and their popular Sunday through Thursday dinner for 2 special is one of the best on the Rhode Island dining scene. And now there's more exciting news right next door at their stylish, brand new Indulge exquisite dessert and drink bar. Truly a great place to start, spend, or end your evening. Here, a relaxing nighttime vibe is always on the menu. And just like the sign says, exquisite desserts, signature cocktails, toddies, international coffees, and the finest spirits to set the perfect mood. There's live entertainment on select nights too, and Indulge is the perfect venue for your signature small private events. They'll do it in grand style. Visit their site, like them on Facebook, and indulge yourself, Rhode Island. Dinner at Elizabeth's Portofino and a visit to Indulge exquisite dessert and drink bar sure sounds like a great night out to me.